Can you describe your day in English? From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep, without stopping. If your mind freezes, that's okay. That's normal.
Most people think their problem is grammar or vocabulary, but it's not. The real problem is flow.
Because English is not a test. It's not a textbook. English is life, and life is built on actions.
And actions are verbs.
Today, we'll show you something powerful. With about 50 verbs, you can talk about almost everything you do. Every single day. Stay with us. This episode can change how you feel when you speak English. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Daily Flow. I'm really happy you're here today. Take a breath with me. How are you doing? Not fine. Not okay. How are you really doing?
That pause matters, because language starts with awareness. And yes, I already had 3 coffees today.
3? That explains everything. Today's topic is simple, but powerful. We're talking about the verbs you actually use. Not advanced verbs, not fancy verbs, real verbs, daily verbs.
The verbs you use when you wake up, when you rush, when you wait, when you relax. Once you control these, your English starts to breathe.
Quick moment. If you want more episodes like this, subscribe to the channel and like this video. It tells YouTube, this helps learners, and it helps us continue. All right, let's start the day. Bob, the alarm rings. What happens?
I wake up. I don't move. I stare at the ceiling. I think. I worry a little. Then, eventually, I get up.
That's perfect English. Wake up. Stare. Think. Get up. No grammar stress.
I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and say, okay, let's do this.
Then the kitchen. You make coffee. You drink it. You hold the cup. You feel the warmth. These verbs connect to feelings.
And the phone. I check messages. I scroll. I read. I answer. Or I ignore.
And just like that, you already used 15 verbs. You're not bad at English. You just never practiced this way.
After that, I get dressed. I grab my keys. I leave the house. Then I stop. Did I lock the door? I check. Then I check again.
Everyone does that. Then you walk. You drive. You take the bus. You arrive. Each verb is simple, but together, they tell a story.
At work, I greet people. I smile. I sit down. I open my laptop. I start working. Or I try to work.
You type, you listen, you explain, you ask questions. That's real spoken English. Pause with us for a second. In the comments, write one sentence. Today and I. Just 2 verbs. That's it. Practice starts now. Bob, tell us that story again, slowly.
All right. Last week, I needed to buy a gift. I entered a small shop. I looked around. I picked things up. I put them back. Finally, I chose a gift. Then, I waited.
Waiting changes people.
I checked my watch. I sighed. I felt annoyed. But then, I noticed the woman in front of me. She held a tired child. The child cried. She looked exhausted. I paused. I realized something. Everyone is carrying something.
That's powerful English right there. Notice. Pause. Realize.
I smiled. She smiled back. We chatted. Waiting became human.
Let's slow down. Here are verbs you should own. Notice. Become aware. I noticed the sky changing. realize, suddenly understand. I realized I was wrong. Choose, decide. I chose to stay calm. Wait, stay without action. I waited patiently. Share, give part of your story. I shared my experience.
When you use verbs like these, people don't hear learner English. They hear human English.
At night, you eat, you relax, you sit, you watch, you talk, you think about your day.
You remember moments. You feel tired. You rest. And tomorrow, you start again. Same verbs, new story.
English is not about perfection. It's about movement, one verb at a time.
Speak, pause, try again.
Before you go, I want to help you take the next step, right now. You've just heard how powerful daily verbs are. You saw how they describe your life, naturally, without stress.
But listening is only the beginning. Real progress happens when you see the verbs and hear them used clearly, one by one.
That's why we made another video for you. It's already on this channel. It's called Learn 60 English Action Verbs in 10 Minutes.
In that video, you'll hear the most common action verbs, spoken slowly, clearly, with simple examples, no distractions, just real English.
So here's what I want you to do. After this episode ends, click on the video on your screen or check the link in the description and watch it right away.
Think of it like this. This podcast helped you feel the flow. That video will help you lock in the verbs.
Do both, and your English will feel lighter, more natural, more confident.
We'll be waiting for you there.
Subscribe for daily, real English. Share this episode with one learner. Comment your routine using 3 verbs.
You're doing better than you think.
Keep flowing, keep learning. See you next time.
Bye-bye.